Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to set up a group calendar and share in Outlook. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your Outlook, go to your folder, tap this open calendar here, and then click this create new blank calendar. Here, you can add a name for your group calendar. And then after that, what you're going to do is to click OK. So as you can see, I have named it as Meeting 101. To share this, all you have to do is to right click with that folder calendar that you have created, click Add Calendar, and then tap this from Room List. Here you can add if you have or if you have them in your contact list, you just have to click this contacts and then add them, or you can just add them manually by adding their email address. So let me tap this one again and then click add calendar from room list. And then if you can just simply add them to contacts, you just have to tap here. And if not, then you can just add their email address. So add their email address here and then once and click OK. And then after that, you have added these people or you have shared this calendar to someone, to your workmate, to your classmate, or to your friend. So whatever you type here or whatever you add here, like if you have your seminar, if you have your upcoming event, then probably they can see it. But unfortunately, you can't add to their calendar. You can only add to your calendar here, but which is also visible to them. So you can add, for example, you have a meeting or upcoming sports event or something like that. So you can just simply add it right here. So this is what it looks like. So you have three calendars here for the people that have added a you. So this is like a shared or group calendar. And then if you want to share this, if you want to share this calendar to someone, then all you have to do is to simply right click and then you will see a share icon. Okay, so as you can see here, I can add some information on my calendar and then it will be visible to Ellie and Andrew. To share this, all I have to do is to right click and then go to share, you will see this a share icon right here. So scroll down. Then you can share this to email. So you just have to simply click OK, review, click OK, and then click continue. Then type their email address here and send it to them. So it will be visible to these people. So whatever activities you have created here will be visible to this person you have sent to this calendar. Okay, so that's it. Now, you can add more calendars if you want. You can add more people if you want. You can share this calendar to anyone if you just allow them. They can add events here. They can edit their events to their own calendar. So this is just how easy it is to add calendar. You can rename this. You can change the color. You can delete. You can move app down, share, and there's also a property here if you want to make some changes. So basically, this is how you set up a group calendar and share it out. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.